Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making dirty rice. You will need 4 cups of parboiled rice, 1 pound of ground beef, 1 pound of mild Italian sausage, 1 cup of chicken broth, 1 onion, 1 green bell pepper, 1/2 of a red bell pepper, 2 ribs of celery, 5 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of Creole seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then add the ground beef and Italian sausage. Season the meat with salt and pepper, then continue browning for another 5 minutes. Now add the onion, celery, green bell pepper, and red bell pepper and continue to cook until your vegetables are translucent. Now add the garlic and mix well, then cover and allow the meat to simmer for an additional 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add your rice, then season with the cayenne pepper, Creole seasoning, thyme, and paprika. Now pour in the chicken stock and mix well, cover, and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.